Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. Thanksgiving Day headlines coming at you with cold temperatures. You've already felt them here this afternoon, and we're going to keep that around for the next couple of days. After Thanksgiving, which is relatively quiet, same with Black Friday, there is a system rolling in for the weekend that is going to try to bring us both some snow and rain showers, and that's one of two systems that are going to try to bring us some wintry weather. Another round tries to roll in for next week. We'll try to touch on each of these as we roll into the forecast. This is hard to believe after what it felt like this afternoon. Just after midnight, many of us hit our high temperature today in the mid-50s. Most of the day, temperatures had fallen off. Now, as we roll into the overnight tonight, we're going to float all the way down into the low 30s, even the upper 20s. And tomorrow for your Thanksgiving Day, starting mostly cloudy and then clearing throughout the day, so plenty of sunshine to look nice for your afternoon. High temperatures are going to have a hard time even cracking 40. We've got wind chills that will likely be in the 20s most of the day because those gustier winds will stick around. They will slow down as we head into the rest of tonight, but still a good 15 to 25 mile an hour wind gust can't be ruled out for you tomorrow afternoon, mainly out of the west to northwest to keep all that cool breeze flowing through. Satellite radar for us still has some cloud cover on it. At least for the most part, we haven't seen any flurries. They've stayed further to the north and east, which will take that low stayed a little further into the Great Lakes, so we won't be dealing with any of that. The flow coming in, though, and some high pressure following that will keep those cooler temperatures around. Watch Futurecast bring some more high clouds through the area as we head into tomorrow, but otherwise mostly sunny for us by the afternoon, and we're going to keep that going as some clouds sag south into early Friday. They then recede again, and we stay open for our Friday afternoon. Now, going into the post-holiday, we're talking about Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Travel on the other side of Thanksgiving could get a little messy for us. Late Saturday and into Sunday, we have a chance to see some snow and or wintry mix turn over to rain late in the day on Saturday and into Sunday. Here's what the next big thing looks like. You can see by noon some snow showers are flowing towards us here. They start inching in here into the bluegrass area late in the day. Notice though we've got a fine line between what could be rain and snow and maybe even some heavier mix there for us. Warmer temperatures are going to be moving into this system as it approaches, so we might get a dash of some of those heavier snow showers, could lower visibility, but that's in the overnight hours. This is early Sunday morning now, and it's all turned over to rain, something we'll likely see as those warmer temperatures move in. So expecting minimal impacts from this system as we go through your weekend, but can't rule out some of that wintry precipitation coming through. Cannot say the same thing for what could be happening sometime late Monday into Tuesday. Look at that theme for us there. Somewhere with this system, if it tracks right, we could see a mix between rain to snow. But let's really start jumping on any kind of timing totals or precipitation types. But just put that in your back pocket for us as we roll through this holiday. We'll keep track of it for you, of course, as we get into the weekend.